House, apartment for rent, pinapaupahang bahay, vacant and ready for occupancy. Hello everyone, kamusta kayong lahat? Welcome back dito sa ating YouTube channel, and for this video, ito pong vacant, open na house apartment for rent. Ito po yung up and down with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Nakatiles na ang flooring, bagong pintura, may sariling metro ng kuryente at tubig, malapit sa highway, may malapit na school at market. Yes, store. Yes, kids. Yes, pets allowed. And yes, parking. House apartment for rent, located in Bacoor City, Cavite. Hello everyone, kamusta kayong lahat? Para sa naghahanap ng house and apartment for rent, bagong malilipat ang pinapaupahang bahay, ito po yung ating na-visit at na-locate, open, vacant, and ready for occupancy. Ito pong may color violet na gate, up and down na bahay, meron ding terrace, very spacious, maganda yung bahay at maganda rin ang location. Sa nagtatanong kung magkano ang presyo nitong pinapaupahang bahay, ito po ay 8,000 pesos monthly. Yes ma'am, yes sir, house apartment for rent, 8,000 pesos monthly with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Location, Bacoor City, Cavite. And yes guys, sa mga interested, kung gusto nyo bisitahin para makita ng personal, pwede naman po anytime. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Follow at subscribe na rin kayo sa ating YouTube channel para lagi kayong updated sa tuwing meron akong i-upload na bagong house apartment for rent. Marami pa po tayong iba pang mga units. Yes guys, marami pa tayong iba pang mga house and apartment. Pero sa ngayon, ito lang muna yung i-share ko sa inyo details and information about dito sa ating na-visit at na-locate na bakanteng pinapaupahang bahay sa Bacoor City, Cavite. 8,000 pesos monthly with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Vacant na po to, open for viewing. Yes ma'am, yes sir, maraming salamat ulit sa pagbisita dito sa ating YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share kung nagustuhan nyo itong klase ng content. Marami pa po ako sa inyong i-share pang mga video and information. So maraming salamat ulit. Ito po yung bakanteng pinapaupahang bahay, house apartment for rent, 8,000 pesos monthly with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Located in Bacoor City, Cavite. Sa part po ng Molino, Bacoor City, Cavite.
Ayun yung content ko.
Maganda rin ang location.
Mapili tayo kapitbahay nyo.
Inside subdivision.
Tingnan natin kung sino.
And flood free location. Yun po at maraming salamat.